Hi there, this is just a quick reminder to take extra care when following the advice in our videos, especially when it comes to things like electrics, gas appliances and heavy lifting. Stay safe, and if in doubt, always contact a qualified professional. Bad smells from drains can happen when sewer gases escape, and sometimes it's because there's contaminated water or a blockage in the drain. Either way, if it smells, it's important to get it sorted. For a quick DIY fix, first pour boiling water down the sink. Next, pour baking soda, then vinegar down there too. Let it sit for around 15 to 30 minutes before pouring more boiling water down the sink to flush it through. If that doesn't work, you can get stronger chemical products online or from most supermarkets and DIY stores. To unblock a pipe, first place a bucket underneath to catch any water that might escape. Then unscrew the pipe and wait for the water to stop flowing. Now use something like a wire coat hanger to clear out the inside of the pipe. Once that's done, reattach the pipe and run the tap to check it's airtight. During the cold winter months, exposed pipes contract and expand, which can cause them to split. But you can take steps to stop this from happening. First, turn off the water supply. You'll need to find the isolation valve, which is usually under the kitchen sink. With a flathead screwdriver, turn it 90 degrees in either direction. Then, using a wrench, tighten the tap's stem nut. With a measuring tape, work out how much insulation foam you'll need to cover the length of your exposed pipe. Once you've cut the right amount, use cable ties to fasten it round the pipe. This is known as lagging your pipe. You're all done. Just don't forget to turn your water supply back on. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on our YouTube channel. Or for more advice on looking after your home appliances, head to the D&G website at domesticandgeneral.com.